Welcome to Crucero Park, a neighborhood space in the city of Mission Viejo, thoughtfully redesigned for play, comfort, and connection. This project began with a complete playground transformation, responding directly to community requests for updated play equipment, improved seating, and much-needed shade. New shade sails provide relief from the sun, while vibrant rubberized surfacing replaces the old sand, solving long-standing drainage issues and creating a safer, more accessible play environment. Phase 2 of the project expanded the park experience even further with a new concrete sidewalk wrapping around the north end of the park. Additional improvements included seating nodes overlooking the expansive turf lawn, enhanced lighting, and refreshed planting with improved irrigation. Together, these improvements transform Crucero Park into a welcoming and playful destination for the Mission Viejo community. We're proud to celebrate the park's grand reopening and welcome visitors to enjoy this space for years to come.